Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Electrical supplier Fosrich is planning to move into manufacturing. Managing director of the company, Cecil Foster, made the announcement at the latest Mayberry Investments Monthly Investor Forum. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
Fosrich eyeing a $30 billion market for electrical products. Its managing director, Cecil Foster, says the company is going into manufacturing to fill local demand.
We do this business in this line of product from countries outside of Jamaica, and we lose 30 to 35% from manufacturer to here. And so that alone puts us in a spot where we can approach the market. The market is roughly about $20 to $30 billion.
But that's not all. The company is also looking to become an exporter to the region.
I can't tell you yet what it is because we really just announcing this to you, but we can't tell you the details. What it's going to do is going to put Fosrich in a position to, not too long from now, be able to approach the Caribbean with some exports products and so on. And so we are looking forward to 2019 first quarter when we will roll this thing with this thing out.
He says Fosrich has been working to supply the market, noting that the results will come next year.
That demand is there, and we just need to have the resources to satisfy that demand, and you will see the numbers even get better. And when we go into the new business or the industrial side of the business, like the bigger cables and the power line panels, those numbers are going to make us really be happy at the end of the year, next year.
Electricals account for 64% of Fosrich's revenue. Energy products account for another 23%, while industrial sales make up the rest. The company listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange last December. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the US dollar continues to weaken. The greenback ended the day selling for $127.98. That's the lowest the US dollar has sold for in 7 months. The Canadian dollar closed at $97.73. The pound ended the day selling for $164.98, while the euro sold for $146.28 on average. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in December went down by 55 cents to settle at $63.14 a barrel. Oil is down 17% from its October peak. The JSE index advanced by 758 points today, while the junior market index is down 4 points. Stocks posting gains today include 1834 Investments, Barita Investments, Carib Cement, Express Catering, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, and Jamaica Producers. Among the losers were Access Financial Services, Blue Power, Consolidated Bakeries, Elite Diagnostic, GUS Corporation, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Properties, and Lasco Financial Services. Businessman Joseph Matalan was inducted into the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica PSOJ Hall of Fame on Wednesday. Mr. Matalan was recognized for his service to the local business community as leader and for his philanthropic accomplishments.
I want to thank the PSOJ and its selection committee for conferring this honor on me. It is a real privilege for me to be counted amongst the 25 previous inductees into the PSOJ Hall of Fame.
And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.